Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. Today, we are making banana bread. But not just any banana bread. They are gluten-free banana bread. I have 4 very sweet bananas in here. And I'm just going to mash these bananas. Half of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And for some extra sweet, I have half of a cup of maple syrup. To that, I'll be adding 1/4 cups of MCT oil. If you have olive oil or coconut oil, you can use that as well. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I am just going to mix all this stuff together here. To that, I'll be adding 1/4 cups of milk, and that's almond milk. But you can use any milk of your choice. And then I'm just going to mix that all the way around. I also have 2 flax eggs here. But if you have regular eggs, you can use that as well. I'm going to give this a nice mix. And this is it for your wet ingredients. Let's get our dry ingredients together. I am using gluten-free flour, and this is the Bob's Red Mill. I'll be adding 2 cups of that and then 1 cup of oat flour. To that, I will add 1 cup of oat flour. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of that. 1/8 teaspoons of cinnamon. Now you can make this however you want. If you wanted to add some nuts to this, it would be perfectly fine. Any nuts that you like. I am adding 1/8 teaspoons of allspice. Then I will mix this together. And once again, guys, as you know me, if you've been watching the channel for a while, of course my bowl is a little small, but you know, it's all good. Okay, so I decided to get a bigger bowl. Alright. Just gonna add all my ingredients in there. So now I will add my wet ingredients to my dry ingredients. And then mix everything together. Okay, I have a 9.5 by 5 loaf pan here. And I'm just going to pour my batter inside. I sprayed it with some coconut oil spray so it won't stick. So this is what it looks like. Let's put it in the oven for about 40 to 50 minutes. Okay, my healthy people, so here we have our delicious gluten-free banana bread, and it comes out so easy. Now, I had this in the oven for 45 minutes. The last 10 minutes I have it covered. Everything for this recipe will be in the description box. Don't worry about it. So it's not hot anymore. Not as hot, I should say. So it's been cooling. This is what it looks like. Very soft and moist. Look. Woo! Let's cut them up. Woo-wee!
Like hot apple pie.
Okay, my healthy people, that's it. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. If you love the video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because it's absolutely free. And say it with me, stay